Hey, I'm Heidi Duncan. I'm a birth doula and childbirth educator, and I'm going to be spending some time today, along with my kitty Gracie, if she hangs around, to do an unboxing of the Mommy Care Kit. If you haven't heard of it yet, the Mommy Care Kit is a suite of support tools that is covered by some insurance providers, and you're going to get to find out what those things are. You can submit your request to see if you are covered for it. And I've made a shortcut. It's expectingnewlife.com/MCK, the abbreviation for Mommy Care Kit. Expectingnewlife.com/MCK. So this is real time unboxing. I haven't opened any of this stuff yet other than opening the top of the box. So let's get into it. All right. So first thing we have is, let's see, this is the Mommy Matriarch Support Belt, 12 inches. And I think this is for, this may be for postpartum. Let's see. Oh, it comes in a nice carry bag. Look at this. It's got an adjustable strap on it. Huh. Very cool. I like that. Nice adjustable tote with a zipper top. So this could be multi-function. You could use this actually. Wow, like that would be needs a little bit longer strap, but that could be like a really nice. It's a nice bag for random things, and it is. It feels like it's got a lining in it, like a vinyl lining. So who knows? That could double as a diaper bag or something like that. All right, so let's see. What do we have here? All right. So it's embroidered on the back with the Mommy Care Kit logo. I don't think you can see that very well. It's very dark. It's purple. Oh, look at this. Okay. So this is, wow, this is incredible. Has Velcro, and I'm sure there are instructions. Okay. So this, look at this back support. Wonderful back support. This is going to wrap all the way around. You've got a lower back um, additional padding and cushion. And looks like, how do we do this? Oh, there we go. So Velcro's here if you need to shorten it, I guess. It has some adjustable straps back here with elastic. So that can be adjusted. And this is going to go all the way around. And so this is, I think, your postpartum belly and recovery band. There's instructions with how to use it. So there's a brace, there's an optional anterior panel, an optional lateral panel on the sides. Um, oh, and there's optional direct stick hot or cold therapy packs. Interesting. Those I don't think are in here unless they're in another package, but that's interesting that can all go together. So really cool, very nice, very well constructed. Feels really sturdy. So that's item one. That's the, so I guess that is the lower back support. Okay, so that is for prenatal. That's not the postpartum one. Um, very nice. Okay, what's next? We have, aw, just a pink tote. Nice. With the Mommy Care Kit logo. This is a good size. Look at that. And it's got the adjustable strap, so like a backpack or sling style. Um, Cute little nylon tote. Very nice. Gracie's really interested in the strings on that one. Ah, all right. What is this? Okay. Oh, this is the tens unit. Very nice. Intensity 10 is what that's called. So it's got a slide release for the closure. And you have your digital tens unit along with your power cord and your connection cords for the um, the stick-on pads, instructions, of course, and then the electrodes for this. Just so you know, you can order replacement electrode pads, and you usually for labor you're using them in a set of 4 on the lower back for pain management. So that would go like on the lower back area, and it's a stimulation that can be helpful for pain management. But it can also be used in pregnancy too. Of course, talk to your care provider about that to get clearance. Communicate with them, but it's a good support tool. There's a whole little booklet on instructions on how to use it and how to set it up. So very nice setup here. Let's see if I can close everything back. Oh yeah, that works really well. Let's see, slide and lock. TENS unit. I have a TENS unit that I bring to my births for my clients for support. So, oh, well, never mind about needing to order extra TENS pads because there are 2 bags, 2, maybe 3. There are 3 bags of extra electrode pads. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. It'll take you a long time to run out of these. That's great. And if you're using them on yourself, those sticky pads, you can take them off and just stick them, keep the plastic piece that they're attached to when first take them off, keep that little like plexiglass, that's not the right word, but plastic strip, and you can put them back on there. And if they lose a little bit of their um, adhesion, you can use rubbing alcohol on them, and for some of the devices that'll bring it back. Not all of it will, but that's on the sticky pads themselves if you want to get more than one use out of it on yourself, that is. All right, and next thing up we have these are compression socks, and so we have looks like 2 pair, and are they the same? They're the same size. So we have a couple of pairs of those. Let's see what those look like. They're white. Good compression socks, helps with circulation and preventing your feet from getting all swollen and stuff. So nice. Feels like, it says firm compression, so that's going to be pretty decent snug. Just simple little white up to the knee socks that have that nice compression element to them. So instructions are here for those 2 pair. I'm not certain if you get 2 pairs in your kit. I would assume it's the same. This is my sample kit for demonstration purposes. And let's see what's next. Okay, Revive 3-in-1 postpartum recovery support belt. Okay, so this is the postpartum belt, and it has stomach belt, waist belt, and pelvis belt. Let's see what this looks like. Everything is nicely packaged. And as you can see, these are all things that are going to help with your just ongoing comfort and supporting your body during your pregnancy and your recovery. All right, so we have a little mini instruction booklet that explains how to use it, the different ways to set this up. And so we have Velcro. And so this is one of the adjustable layers of belting, support belt. You can see, and it's got nice stretch, really soft, like that. Very good. And so it's wrap it around your belly, and this is going below, and then you can also adjust it tighter with this additional strap. And this one looks like this is going a little bit more of that back support. Similar structure, just more, levels to it. It's going to be wider support. Very nice. And then the third part, this looks like it's probably the hip support piece, um, coming around the hips and lower back. Very good. Like it, like it. All right, I'm not going to be able to get that back in the box right now. Let's put you over here. All right, what's next? Let's see. All right. Oh, these are the plasma flow. They call these SVTs. So these are they're compression devices, and it's to help with the circulation in your legs and to prevent um, blood clotting in your legs. You can use these at home, and these would be really cool if you had to fly during your pregnancy. That would be really cool to have these with you when you travel, um, or even in the car if you happen to be in the car for a little while. Are you helping, Gracie? You're squishing my flyer. She's my little buddy. All right. So these attach with Velcro. Let that Velcro open. So these go around your leg, and it has the control unit. I don't know if this has to be charged. Oh, yes. Or it has power. This might be a charging thing. I'm going to guess that's a charging thing. So those go around both legs, and they inflate and squeeze, inflate and squeeze. I've seen these mostly used in the hospital, like after cesarean birth, and but looks like this has been developed for at-home use. So that's great. So you have a pair of those, along with instructions, of course, on how to use it and everything. Very cool. So have that. And then last but not least, we have a letter with the list of all the things that are in there, which are also shown on the flyer. Shows all of those different items. Last but not least, we have a breast pump. So let's get this one open up. This one requires some scissors. Right. Boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. So this is the Motif Twist double electric breast pump. Okay. And so that says the Motif Twist creates the ideal pumping experience with a breast pump that is portable without compromising power, and it is completely adjustable to your preferred suction level. Comes with 3 different size flanges on it, which is great. Looks like we have some more tape here. There are multiple, I think 3 or 4 different model breast pumps to choose from, and if you're interested, you can message me, and I can share some more info about the pros and cons of the different devices. This one is a newer, new to me at least, but information here. We have our flanges, multiple sets. We have actual bottles for feeding, as well as storage, and multiple additional pieces of things. Let's see. Little bitty storage bag. So this must be your base unit. And then all these other parts and pieces with manual, charging device, all the things. Um, this is exciting. So, really great stuff. Um, what I have discovered thus far with my clients who have submitted requests for this, um, of course, um, not all insurance providers are going to cover it. Um, I don't know specifics on who does what. I have found that there are some who will um, cover all of the items that are shown here. Some will. Um, I have had one client. I think she was with TRICARE Military Insurance, and they didn't cover the TENS unit for whatever reason. So there may be some variation, as what your experience is on what that what gets approved or not. So it's just, but it's as simple as going to the website. And again, my shortcut that I've made for that, for me to remember more easily, is expectingnewlife.com/MCK for Mommy Care Kit. And that will bring you to the Mommy Care Kit request site where you just give your basic info. And then they will then take that and reach out to your insurance provider and find out if they do approve it, and they will usually either email or call you to communicate with you about that to find if they have anything they need to clarify or just to update you. And um, and then within, you know, I'm guessing within a couple of weeks' time, probably within a month at max, you'll get your nice big box in the mail with all your goodies in it. So this is exciting. I'm thrilled to know that this is being made available to expecting families, and ways to support just more comfort and well-being in pregnancy and in the postpartum period. So I hope you will explore it with me. Go check it out, Mommy Care Kit. You can also go to mommycarekits.com/expectingnewlife. That's my personalized link. And so you don't have to provide social security number, no financial info needed to provide. It does not affect your insurance premiums. There's no change in your plan or your doctors or anything like that. So it's a real straightforward process. Very basically zero risk to request and see if you're covered for it. So thank you for joining me on this little unboxing episode here. And yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm hoping more and more people will tap into this. And I've requested a couple of items maybe could be made additional to the kit. We'll see. I would love it if there was a peanut ball and round exercise ball slash birth ball to be added to the kit. We'll see. I don't know who makes these decisions, but I think that would be a great idea because both are very useful in pregnancy and birth and postpartum. So we'll see. Who knows? Maybe that change will come. If not, this is a fantastic suite of support tools. And yeah, I think all expecting families would benefit from it. So